Hey y'all, Scott Ferguson here. Things like that. Today on Weekend Warriors, we're doing a yard update. I know I said bi-weekly, but man, around here, around the corner, things are really looking pretty today. Stuff's all coming into bloom, and I just really wanted to share it with y'all. Down here along the side, we got the different colors of canna lilies coming in. Everything's just looking real beautiful. Rose bush is coming into its own. And again, I just wanted to share it with y'all. If you're watching this, then you care. And here's the big reveal of the day. Maybe that's why you can call this. The elephant ears have finally come through. Been waiting and waiting and waiting. Thing was this, small cantaloupe size ball. They said giant elephant ears, so we'll see what we get. But again, folks, it's just really coming along pretty, and I wanted to share it with y'all. So anyway, Scott Ferguson, things like that, Weekend Warrior, Front Yard Update. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.